Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I received notification from my bot that in USD CHF H4 forming a re-entry after CSM. You can see over here and wait for extreme MHV at M15 time frame, which is time frame 3. I'll show you how I apply confirmation. I mark the area CSM. You can see over here, and will mark the possible re-entry zone, which is MA510 low. After CSM, you mark area at MA510 low, the possible re-entry zone area, and you switch to time frame 2, which is H1 according to H4. You switch to lower time frame, and here I saw that it rejects EMA 50 and low BB. You can see here. First I saw this thing, this was not a proper rejection, so I ignored this. I waited for the next candle. You can see over here these candles, these make me more confident. Okay, now the trade is valid. I can move to M15 to enter my trades. Entry is always on M15. You can see over here I saw this extreme point. This is extreme, and then TPY jib, MHV, and then CSAK. This is the CSAK level, and this is our entry. The safe entry is always at CSAK level, but I couldn't manage to enter because I was a bit busy that time. I entered some trades and I went for some other work. When I came back, it already reacted, so I thought to make a video and show it with you guys as well. So this was the entry actually. So now I'm putting the limit orders. If market comes to that zone, fair enough. Otherwise I will let my old trades run and wait for the market to reach to the previous high zone. So here you can see I am adding limit orders, and when market reach to that zone, it's fine. Otherwise, sometimes market is trending, it don't come to that zone and keep flying. And SL is always just below the low. You can see some of the wicks, and market reacts differently nowadays. So for the safe side, and because of the spread, you can see the spread level is a bit high in my broker, so I make my SL a bit bigger. So here you can see this is extreme point, this is TPY jib, and this is MHV, and also on top of that low BB is getting flat, and after that it forms CSAK. When it forms CSAK, just straight away enter, and you can see I'm getting other pairs notification as well on my Telegram that other pairs are also forming setups. So this is how you apply confirmation. It's really easy, and I have created a very detailed video how apply confirmation after marking possible re-entry zones. So my next video of BBMA series for beginners will be uploaded soon, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So now it's a waiting game. Let's wait how the setup reacts.
Holy, look at all this damage.
Yeah, boy.
So guys, setup reacts really well. It's going nicely, and my other limit orders got hit as well. Only the last one was remaining, it didn't get hit. You can see this is the same entry point which I chose, and I put the limit orders, and this one over here got hit already. Market is already approaching to previous high, which is on time frame 2 H1. According to H1, it is already reached to the previous high. You can see over here I will close my trades and hold only one trade. So let me tell you again why I take the trade. This is the extreme point when market rejects from time frame 2 a low PB or EMA 50. Then I move to time frame 3, which is our entry time frame, and over here I saw extreme TP1J, MLV, and CSAK. This is the CSAK is our entry point. I entered over here, and I put my limit orders, and it was fortunate that my limit order got hit. But sometimes if the market is trending, it don't come to the area and it's just straight away flies. So like I said, I will close my trades and hold only one trade. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just write down in the comment and I will try to answer them. Happy trading. See you next video. Bye.